Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be swatching the new ABH Norvina collection volume 3 mini palette. That is a mouthful. Basically, it's this beautiful palette. There are some different formulas in here. They're mainly mattes. Some of them have little shimmers in it. Then we have a glitter and then like a metallic duochrome sort of finish. And then we have this pink duochrome. There's a lot going on here, but if you want to see swatches and a mini review, just keep watching.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Now that you guys have seen the swatches, let's talk about them. First off, I want to say that this palette does come with a mirror, which I appreciate. I also love how small these are. These are minis, and so they are relatively small compared to my hand. I like that they're compact. The shade range is okay. It's honestly not my favorite. You guys know I'm into purples and stuff, but after seeing the looks that Norvina did with this palette, I knew I needed to get it, especially for these two shades. Excuse my nails, I need to paint them, but those two are just absolutely stunning. Now, the mattes actually perform really good. I didn't have problems with any of the mattes. They were all pigmented right off the bat. Most of these are one or two swipes. Like, they did very, very well. The glitter is absolutely stunning. I don't think I can capture on camera just how beautiful this glitter is. Like, I try, but honestly, you have to see this in person. It's just so stunning. I know a lot of people are not fans of glitters in palette. This is sort of like a new thing that ABH is doing. ColourPop's the main brand that has been doing glitters recently. I don't mind glitters. I think that personally for me, I don't mind using them, but you know, it's up to your own discretion. If you want to use them, use them. If you don't feel comfortable, then don't. I do like the size of the eyeshadows too. They are like full size. Price wise, I do think that this is overpriced, I think, for the mini size, but I mean, it's ABH, and as long as the quality's good, I think it's worth it. And honestly, this palette's beautiful. I think that this is perfect for like spring and summer, especially seeing the looks that Norvina has done. I will include some clips now. She's just done so many beautiful looks, and I've seen so many other people do beautiful looks as well, so I have lots of inspiration. This blue is so stunning, and again, like the glitter, it's really hard to capture just how stunning it is. Like, even in I guess like that, you can see in the pan just how stunning they are. And it's not a glitter, it's like a duochrome black base blue shimmer thing. It's a very shimmery, but there isn't any glitter in it. The only glitter is the main glitter shade. If you want to know the names of these shadows, these are how they are. So it would go like A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So, yay, I guess. And I'll show you guys the box as well. It just says 9 high-performance shades for professional grade artistry with maximum payoff. You get 1 gram each, so cool, I guess. Honestly, though, I do really like this palette. Mainly, I wasn't sure if I wanted it 100%, but as soon as I saw the looks that Norvina did and these 2 shades, I couldn't pass it up. That being said, I'm very excited to see how this works on the eye. I love all my other ABH Norvina palettes, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to love this one too. The shades do stain, just so you know, mainly the darker red ones. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Make sure to go follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO.